Let's take. Okay, I should win this game pretty quickly too. Already up a pawn. Very good. Let's go here in castle. Check, and something bad should happen, but I don't see the win right off. Let's just go here, maybe check. Oh, what the heck was that? I just, whoops. I just hung a piece. A little bit shaky here at the start, but it is what it is. Oh wait, there goes the knight. Okay, now I'm fine. Yeah, I think it's sort of tag med for the 4 months. Are you allowed to promote kick here? I'm allowed to talk about kick. Well, I don't know what you mean by promote exactly. I mean, promote is a very generic term. Yeah, I'm not playing good chess here, but I mean, yesterday I wasn't playing good chess and I was doing great. So it all depends. Let's start pushing the P. There goes the knight, and GG, why not? Hikaru hanging pieces but still wins pretty much. Hopefully he'll resign here. Yeah, okay, I guess not. Let's just take. Whoa, thank you so much to Trokar for the 5 gifted subs. Thank you so much to Trokar, appreciate it. Thank you for the 5 gifted. This should be like checkmate. Thank you so much to Trokar for the 5 gifted, appreciate it. I'm just gonna use these knights and mate him. There we go. Next game.